You know what? I never would have thought that we'd stay in school longer just to study English.
Me neither, but it's just so much fun.
I wish we could replace all the subjects with just English so we'd have English 7 times a day.
One can only dream. Yo, I'm gonna go to the vending machine. Want something?
No thanks, I'm good.
Whatever, man.
Oh, you're back already. What happened? Machine ate your money? Yeah, it happens. I swear, if I could get a penny for every penny that damn machine stole from me, I'd have the exact number of pennies I had lost. Anyway, here, we can share my sneakers. Are you on drugs? Yeah, I need you to come to our classroom. There's like a zombie outbreak or something and I'm out of bullets. Yeah, I know you have to study, I have to study too, but I think this is more important. You'll study later or something. Okay, hurry, bye. That's it?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. Wait. The principal said that if we climb this construction, we could get expelled.
So, you suggest that instead of taking this harmless exit, we should go down 2 floors full of brain-thirsty zombies shooting our way out of the building until we kill them all.
Yeah, that's actually exactly what I had in mind.
Me too, man. Awesome. So, here is the plan. So, here are we. We must go out and walk through the hallway, and there are zombies. We should kill those son of the bitches and go down to the first floor. And when we are on the first floor, there are some more son of the bitches. We should kill them and go into the library. And if we get there, we could buy ourselves some time. It ain't gonna be easy.
I survived Latin in this school. How bad can a simple zombie outbreak be?
Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hall is full of zombies.
So, what's the problem?
We should try sneaking and saving as many bullets as we can.
Zombie killer is my middle name. Okay, you go first.
You go first.
No, you go first.
Why would I go first? You go first.
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 No, you go first.
You go first.
You.
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 You. Okay, I'll go first.
Wait, I'll go first.
Let's just go.
Wait, who's that?
It's Haji.
What if he's a zombie?
No, he's just ugly.
Haji, turn around.
Hello, guys.
Oh, he's not a zombie.
Damn it.
Hey, guys. Do you want to know how I got in this library? I was going to school one day, but I was being late, as usual. And Subina was inside when I came, and then she said, "Why so serious?" And then she took chlorine and put it on my face. And then I passed out, and I woke up in this fucking library. Now, excuse me, guys. I have some Latin to do. Yo te amo, Sikitur. Yo eres no somos.
No.
Yo te amo,
Wait.
Sikitur.
It's too late.
Somos. Yo te amo, Sikitur. Yo eres no somos.
Sven.
say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time. And who can say if your love grows as your heart shows, only time. Who can say why your heart sighs as your love flies? Only time. And who can say why your heart cries when your love lies? Only Who can say when the roads meet that love might be in your heart? And who can say when the day sleeps if the night keeps all your heart? Night keeps all your
Closer. It's done. Yes. Yes, both of them. Alright, thank you. Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
I'm just a lonely zombie. I'm just a lonely zombie in this hallway, wishing